So everybody with an iPhone knows the struggle of taking a selfie with the front-facing camera in the camera app. For some reason, it is much easier and much better to do it in the Snapchat one than doing it with the default camera app. Why? Luckily for you guys, today I'm going to teach you guys the easiest way to change the setting, because it is literally one step and we're good. So the reason why your selfies come out a lot better in the way you want it on Snapchat is because they mirror your camera. Camera app on your phone does not do that. So today, right now, I'm going to teach you guys how to get into the settings and change that and take pictures on your camera like it feels on Snapchat. What's going on, everybody? I'm Junior Acosta. Thank you so much for stopping by. And this is a common issue that I believe not many people know, because the other day I was taking pictures to send to my college for my ID. And I noticed that I was having so much struggle in just taking a picture, literally a regular selfie through the regular app on the phone, to the point that I had to use Snapchat, take a selfie through there and send it to them. I don't know why, how this was a thing. And then magically I went to settings and I saw the issue. So enough of that, let me turn on my screen recording and we'll get straight to it, and I'll teach you guys how easy it is. So with that being said, let me just drag this in and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about here. So as you can see, I'm taking a regular selfie and it is not looking too good on the camera app. And this is the main reason why I don't like it, because it flips it. It's not what you see on the camera, but it just really flips it and it just doesn't look good at all. And we're gonna fix that right now. So now we're back on my phone and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So the very first step we're gonna go into settings. You go to settings, and then you can either scroll to camera or you can search it up. I prefer searching it up. It's much easier and is less time consuming. So let's type that up, camera. And you're gonna click the one with the camera, just like the one that you see in your front camera. Well, in the front screen. So you're gonna click on that and you're gonna look at the composition section. That's where exactly we're gonna fix our issue with the camera mirror. I can't speak today. So as you guys can see, you have grid, mirror front camera, view outside the frame. So as you guys can see, the mirror front camera is not selected. So that's the one that's gonna do the whole game changer for us. So let's do that right now, and boom, we just resolved our issue, you guys. And let's check it out and take a very quick selfie. And boom, it is literally the way you see it in the picture, in the view before you take the picture. That's exactly the picture you're taking. So that's literally all you had to do, is just change that setting and it will literally change the whole game about the front facing camera. So that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Leave a like if this was helpful for you so I can know and make more videos in the future. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you guys want to see more videos in the near future. I make videos every so often, so you guys will always be alerted if you hit that notification bell. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next video.